Hello everyone, I'm Calvin J. Surya from BEC Swansea. My topic is all about the role of technology in global enhancement. So first we define what is technology. It is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes or applications. Technology uses scientific principles and applies them to change the environment in which humans live. I have here an example of technology advancement: artificial intelligence, biotechnology, nanotechnology, and renewable energy. These technologies can tackle global issues like climate change, healthcare, and sustainable development. So let's move on to the main discussion. So I have here three viewpoints on how technology boosts global development. The first one is in the economic growth. Technology plays a great role in sustaining the market in a country because without it, the economic aspect of a country may collapse and lead to global conflicts. So for example, resource competition. When resources become scarce, nations might resort to aggressive tactics to secure them, potentially leading to conflicts. So now on to the role of technology in global development in regards in economic growth. According to one study group in a website called Harvard.edu, in economics, it is widely accepted that technology is the key driver of economic growth of countries, regions, and cities. Technological progress allows for the more efficient production of more and better goods and services, which is what prosperity depends on. I have here a report from GMA News that according to the Broadcast Commission for Digital Development report entitled The Economic Impact of Broadband in the Philippines, broadband technology accounted for 7.3% of all economic growth in the country over the past 10 years. Philippine GDP grew at a compound annual average of 4.6% according to the report, which is written by Columbia Institute for Teleinformation Dr. Raul Katz. Given the acceleration of the mobile broadband penetration since 2005, the impact of technology is almost double, reaching 0.61% of GDP and representing 7.3% of all economic growth in the country, the report explained. The second one is educational skills and development. So technology can build up learners in different ways. I have here a few examples on how technology helps learners. The first one is access to information, like online resources, academic databases, educational websites and portals offer structured courses, video lectures, and tutorials that cover a wide range of subjects from basic education to advanced levels. So, second one is teacher development, like for example, professional development, online courses and certifications that help teachers enhance their skills in classroom management and subject-specific knowledge. So according to World Bank on reflecting COVID response and remote learning, technology played and continues to play an essential role to deliver education to the student outside of school. Commendably, all countries were able to deploy remote learning technologies using a combination of TV, radio, online, and mobile platforms. Also, I found this article that says 84% of teachers use internet moderately to enhance the content that students will be engaging. 65% says technology helped them demonstrate things, and 70% students says that they prefer learning digitally. Lastly, in regards with the healthcare improvements, I have here few views where technology plays a role in advancing healthcare technologies. The first one is medical research and drug development. For example, data analysis and simulation. Advanced simulation and modeling technologies accelerate drug development. Second one is mobile health apps for patient engagement. Solutions engage patients in their own health management, improving adherence to treatment plans and overall outcomes. The last one is 3D printing, prosthetic implants and medical models. 3D printed models of organs and tissues help in pre-surgical planning and education, enhancing surgical outcomes and training. Technology significantly boosts economic growth, education, and healthcare. It drives innovation, productivity, and job creation, enhancing wealth. In education, it provides vast resources, personalized learning, and interactive tools, improving outcomes. In healthcare, it enhances diagnostic treatments and patient care, increasing life expectancy and quality of life. However, it also has downsides. I have three examples. For example, the first example is in economic growth, job displacement. Automation and AI can lead to job losses in certain sectors, particularly affecting low-skilled workers. The second one is in educational skills. For example, digital divide and dependence on technology. Unequal access to technology can widen the gap in between students from different socioeconomic backgrounds, leading to disparities in educational outcomes. Also, over-reliance on technology can hinder the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The last one is healthcare improvement. For example, cost. Advanced medical technologies and treatments can be expensive, potentially leading to increased healthcare costs and unequal access.